This is how you can create an action toy figure of someone or yourself for free using ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT. You will want to upload the image for the toy figure. Then, you need a prompt for ChatGPT. For this example, I already have one pre-written and ready to go, which I am pasting here. I will provide you the prompt template that you can use to customize it however you want. It will be in the video description below. You can change your name, your gender, the character features, making sure the name you customize shows up on the action figure, additional accessories along with it, and also a brand name. Once you're ready, let ChatGPT run its imagination. And it may take anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes, so be patient with it. Also, keep in mind that you only get 3 tries each day at the time of making this video. This is what ChatGPT came up with. You can further customize the toy figure by adding or removing items or changing facial features. I opted to add a Cybertruck. After a bit of processing, this is what ChatGPT provided. Once you are happy with the end result, you can save the image for future use. Thanks for watching.